Hello, welcome to Sai Recipes. Today I am going to prepare a sweet, sour and spicy mango curry. For that, I have taken 7 to 8 ripe sakkare gutti mangoes or sugar baby mangoes. Firstly, wash the mangoes thoroughly and peel them. Peel them this way. Here I peel all the mangoes. Collect the peel of the mangoes separately, then add 1 cup of water to it and squeeze. Squeeze it and collect the juice. Then I add 2 mangoes to it and squeeze them. Then collect the mango juice or puree and set aside until the masala paste for curry is ready. Here I am going to prepare masala paste for curry. For that, heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Once oil is heated, add quarter teaspoon of chana dal or bengal gram. Add quarter teaspoon of urad dal and saute it. Then add black pepper, quarter teaspoon of black pepper and few fenugreek seeds. Add quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds and quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add garlic. Here I have taken 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. Then add few curry leaves, 3 teaspoons of grated coconut. Saute it well. And then add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder along with 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well and allow it to cool. Then transfer these spices to the mixer jar to grind. Grind it into a fine paste. Add a small piece of ginger and 2 teaspoons of jaggery powder and little water into the mixer jar and grind. Grind it into a smooth paste. This masala paste aside. I am going to heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil along with 1 tablespoon of ghee. Then add mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds and add chopped garlic. Here I have taken 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Saute it. Add chopped onion. Here I have taken 1 medium sized onion. Then add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 sliced green chillies and a few curry leaves to the pan. Then saute well. Now I am going to put the mangoes to the pan. Then give a good mix. Next, I am going to add ground masala paste along with salt to taste. Then give it a stir. Here I am going to add water and mango juice. The mango juice, which is extract before. Give it another stir. Here I add 1 more teaspoon of jaggery powder and a quarter teaspoon of salt to balance the taste. Then give it a good mix. Now close the lid and cook it for 7 minutes on low flame. After 7 minutes, turn off the flame and open the lid. Here I am going to open the lid. See, our sweet, sour, spicy mango curry is ready to serve. Enjoy this curry with rice, roti or chapati. Please friends, please subscribe to Sai Recipes. Thank you for watching video. Thank you so much.